What? Wait. What do you do?
Hello. This is a first video on a new channel. The channel's gonna be terrible.
Yeah.
This video is gonna get no views, and he is owning the channel. This is his channel. I may or may not be streaming on Twitch and posting TikToks at some point. Soon. I don't know, soon. It's currently summer vacation, so we have school. And then...
In summer vacation? You're like,
We are in summer vacation. Yes, that is how it works.
You said we have school.
So...
Okay.
You just shut up. Okay, we're gonna be doing this. We're gonna be doing VR chat. We have the spider layer video planned. We had this video currently being planned or made. We are gonna play the Backrooms Rec Room game, except this one doesn't know how Rec Room works, and he can't figure it out.
No, that's not the problem. I don't know.
And we both have Xboxes, so we will be doing a Red Dead video at some point, because Red Dead is awesome.
Yes.
Okay, we hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you in like, what? The video is probably like, what, 3 minutes long? 2 minutes long?
Way more than that. Okay, okay.
See ya!
Mission Control, this is Zeta 1, taking off. Very smooth takeoff, as you can see. We are currently heading towards city. Over.
Only mildly almost died. Now I shall launch.
Hey man, shut up. Guess what happens to people who tell me that? Guess what happens to them?
They die. Crap.
You know what anti-air missiles are, right?
Yeah. I did go through flight school.
It's fine.
Almost die again.
Top Gun? I will be doing some barrel rolls.
I went through a solid 5 minutes of flight school.
I'm fine.
I'm severely classified for this moment.
Severely classified?
Yes.
What, like we can't talk about you? I'm being locked onto.
No, you're not.
I think I'm gonna die.
2 hours later.
Flight thrusters are up. How you looking over there?
Airplane stuff is up.
Airplane stuff is up. Alright, ready to launch?
Yes.
Signaling 3, 2, 1, go!
I'd say that was a good takeoff.
Yep. Currently upside down.
Amazing. Did you try to lock onto me?
No.
How much money you want to put on me just going and bombing a building?
At least 2 cents.
2 cents, dude? I got you, bro. Ready? Watch this. We're going for it. Looks like a parking garage.
Now, Owen.
Oh no, there's cars!
One thing they did always teach us in flight school is how to be a trained professional.
Hey yo, what's good, bro? What? My hand's stuck. What's good, bro? Is my hand supposed to do that? Here.
Come closer.
Huh?